Hello guys, welcome to Maths Brains TV. We are moving on with our series of questions that we've been solving. And this is the 8th question. So let's find solution to the question. It says in the given figure, AB is parallel to DE. We should find the value of angle BCD. Find the value of angle BCD, so the angle at C here. Alright. Now, since line AB is parallel to line DE, we will consider DF as the transversal to the parallel lines. If we look at the figure very well, we can see that we can form the shape of a Z. In our previous solutions, we've indicated that if we find the shape of a Z, the normal Z or the reverse Z, right? The angles formed at the corners are the same. So the angle formed over here is the same as the angle formed over here. Likewise, this one, the angle formed up here is the same as the angle formed down here. So if we trace it very well, we can see that the angle formed at D will be equal to the angle formed at F for triangle BFC. I hope you understand it. So the angle formed here is 120 degrees. It will be the same as the angle formed up here because it follows our alphabet Z, and the corners here are going to give us the same answers. That's for alternating angles. So that implies that the angle here is 120 degrees. Please I hope you understand. Alright. We need to find the interior angles of triangle BFC. That will enable us to find the value of angle C. Alright, so to find the value of the angle at F, we're going to extend our arc here to be formed on this straight line. And we know that angles formed on the straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So let's call here M. Okay, so you're indicating the angle here with M, so that 120 plus M will be formed on the straight line. We can find the value of M. So from here we can say that 120 degrees plus M is equal to 180 degrees because they are angles formed on the straight line. Alright, so to find the value of M, we are going to transpose 120 degrees to the right hand side. So we'll get M to be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Then we find the value of M to be 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So the angle formed at M here is 60 degrees. Please I hope you understand. Alright. We also need to find the value of the angle formed at B in the triangle. So we're going to extend this angle here to this straight line here. But this is a straight line formed. So the angles that are formed on this straight line will also sum up to 180 degrees. So if here is 100, we need to find the value of the angle here. So let's represent it with some T, a small t. So you can see the small t. Alright, so that the angle 100 plus t will be equal to 180 degrees because they are formed on this straight line here. So to find the value of t, we are going to transpose 100 degrees to the right hand side. So t gives us 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Then t will be equal to 100 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 100 degrees gives us 80 degrees. So this also implies that the value of the angle formed here is 80 degrees. Let's help you understand. Now we have two interior angles for triangle BFC. So we have two of the interior angles. So you can find the value of the angle formed at C here. Okay. And we as well know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is going to give us 60 degrees plus 80 degrees plus the angle formed at C. Let's call it equivalent with C. Should give us 180 degrees. Please, I hope you understand what we are doing. Alright, so let's proceed. 60 degrees plus 80 degrees gives us 140 degrees plus C equals 180 degrees. So to find the value of C, we're going to transpose 140 degrees to the right hand side. So we get C to be equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. Now, 180 minus 140 gives us 40 degrees. So that's the value of the angle formed at the point C. Therefore, angle BCD. That's from the question. So you find angle BCD. So angle BCD, so the angle at C, is equal to 40 degrees. Please don't forget to subscribe to Math Brains TV for more simplified ways of solving mathematics questions. See you in the next videos. Bye.